All heard the stories of overcrowded hospitals and not enough ventilators across the country. Our Tiffany T shows us how a Cleveland collaboration is providing some much-needed relief.
It has the potential to save lives. The concept Cleveland born and the product made right here in Cleveland, too.
The sweet sound of success, a breathing pump created, manufactured, and FDA approved in just 3 weeks. A process President and Chairman of the newly formed Second Breath, Dan T. Moore, says would usually take 3 years.
When people come together and want to do something, it's amazing what can get done.
It's the result of a collaboration between Dan T. Moore Company, nonprofit MedWorks, and university hospitals, with funding for the first round of production coming from the Cleveland Foundation. 8 engineers built the machine, and UH anesthesiologist Dr. Matahilu handled the specifications.
A simple design that can be used by a well-trained clinician, and it can be produced large scale for a very low cost.
The price tag is about $6,000 compared to ventilators that could cost up to $125,000. With a surge in patients and a shortage of ventilators during the COVID-19 pandemic, there was an emergency need. The hope is that this will not only be used across the country, but around the world as well.
It affects other parts of the body, but many of them frequently do need breathing support, and so this is why this device is so critical.
The makers of this pump say it can also be used in different ways. For example, maybe a patient on their way to the hospital in an ambulance who needs that breathing help. In Cleveland, Tiffany T, 3 News.